Salamat sejahtera. My name is Fatima, and I am an AI functional consultant at Wiz.Asia. Welcome to the first part of our series of step-by-step guide on Malaysia's e-invoice in Odoo. With the rollout of Malaysia's e-invoicing initiative, this video will guide you through the setup process to ensure compliance and seamless integration with the Malaysian government's tax system. We will begin with installing and configuring Malaysia's e-invoice in Odoo. The first step is to enable the Malaysia e-invoice feature in Odoo. From your Odoo dashboard, navigate to Apps. Clear Apps filter, then search for Malaysia. Proceed to install Malaysia, e-invoicing and Malaysia UBIL Pint. Next, configure your company details. Head to Settings to update company info and make sure all your information is accurate. Enter your company's name, address, and most importantly, your tax identification number, TIN, which is mandatory for e-invoice submission in Malaysia. Ensure your tax identification number follows the Malaysian format, as this will be validated during e-invoice submission. Next, head back to Settings and then search Malaysia. Proceed to tick the Production button, agree to Odoo processing invoices and click Register. That's all for setting up in Odoo. First step complete. Now let's head over to My Invoice portal to allow Odoo as an intermediary to process your invoices for you. At the website, go to Manage Taxpayer Profile. This is where you can edit your details or manage ERPs and intermediaries. Scroll all the way down and click Add Intermediary. Fill in the following information as shown and verify the captcha. The information can be found and copied from our Tango workflow on e-invoicing. Click the search icon and if taxpayer is found, click Continue. Under Permissions, enable Document, Submit, Cancel, Request Rejection and Notification, View. Select dates for period of representation. Finally, click Add Intermediary. And that's it, you are all set. Thank you for watching part 1 of installing e-invoicing in Odoo. Don't forget to watch the rest of our series of guides on e-invoicing. Please feel free to contact us for further discussions.